lovely people, hope you are doing well. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen, and today guys I want us to cook Githeri and Mbaazi, so stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my Githeri. And of course, the first ingredient, we're gonna be cutting our onion into the smallest pieces possible. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe, watch and share, and also comment down below what you think about this video. And guys, the next ingredients we're gonna be cutting is our tomatoes. We're going to cut the same into the smallest pieces possible, and I will be cutting 2 of them guys. And I like preparing everything before I start cooking, so that's why I've started with preparing all the ingredients. And the next thing guys we're gonna be cutting is our coriander. Coriander is optional, you can use or you can skip, and also you can add garlic if you want, but in my case I'm not going to be using because I don't have. The next thing, we're going to cook our Githeri and Mbaazi, and the video is self-explanatory, so I don't need to explain. It is easy to follow. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and kindly subscribe again, watch and share, and hope you love the video guys. finally guys, you can see my githeri is ready. I'm gonna be enjoying with an avocado. So hope you've enjoyed this video, and we see you in the next one. I love you so much guys, and bye bye.